Hi everybody, Katina Hunter here with Coldwell Banker. I wanted to give you some quick tips on how to prepare your home to be photographed. And I'm going to use this home as an example. I purposely chose this home because it is not even in Pennsylvania. It is in a completely random state somewhere else in the United States because my intention is not to embarrass anybody. I just wanted to point out some things that we typically see when we're scrolling through pictures of interiors of homes and how you can remedy some of these issues if you're listing your home. So first and foremost, these pictures are not professional. That's something that my team and I absolutely do when it comes to our own listings. So I wanted to point that out, that a professional photographer hopefully would not be making some of these mistakes. So the exterior of the home looks pretty cute. I love the blue sky. I don't like the fact that there's so much road showing there. And that's something that a professional photographer would likely avoid. If I were listing the home and I had to pick from these pictures, this is probably the picture that I would choose to showcase as the first picture. I hate the fact, two things that I don't like about this picture. I hate the fact that the sky is not blue. That's something that could very easily be remedied, and that the mailbox is right there in the foreground. Moving right along, they have a lot of exterior pictures of this home before they even get to the inside. My rule of thumb is one, maybe two pictures of the exterior, unless the backyard is something that's absolutely phenomenal. Then I'll highlight that by pushing those pictures to the beginning of the listing. Otherwise, I do one or two exterior pictures and the rest are at the end. When it comes to this very first picture, it's really not very impressive. I think that they should have really showcased the entire living room first. They do love this fireplace because they have not one but two identical pictures of it. Those cords right there, though, definitely need to be tucked. Those are a little distracting. And this fire extinguisher here, I'm glad that they're being safe, but I would have removed it for the picture. I don't mind the angle that this picture is taken. It really showcases the room. However, oh my gosh, can we please get rid of the massive amounts of water bottles and take that out for the picture? It takes a little bit of effort. I know that those look heavy, but that's definitely something that any good professional should do. Moving right along, it's killing me. It's killing me that this tissue box is here. I would have removed that for the picture. It takes 2 seconds just to take things away and out of a room that don't belong. And there, of course, is their massive amounts of water. I'm glad they're drinking water, though. That's very good. The kitchen is really cute. I love the fact that the countertops are pretty neat and tidied. Actually, I'm not sure if somebody even lives in this house. It appears through some of the other pictures that it might be vacant. I wish that the photographer would have taken a little bit of a step over here to the left to avoid this big refrigerator eating up, a quarter of their picture on the right. I would have removed that garbage can from the kitchen. And also can you see the white bag? Right there. I would have taken that bag away or tucked it in a little bit better for that shot. So obviously they're showcasing the layout. I just wish that they would have tilted the camera a little bit more because a lot of their pictures are crooked. Okay, in this bedroom, if you have a comforter that kind of has a noisy pattern, I would have seen what the other side looks like and maybe flipped it over and get rid of those, either get rid of the pillows or tucked the quilt over the pillows, and then obviously getting rid of some of these superfluous items that are laying around the room. If you're going to take a picture of a closet, because it's really nice that this house has a walk-in closet, this needs to be taken out. These items need to be straightened up or taken out really, really quickly. Take them out, take the picture, and then go ahead and put those back. I like the fact that they got a lot of pictures of the bathroom. However, this paper towel holder definitely needs to go, and that loofah needs to be taken out of the shower for the shots. See? Didn't you see the loofah right away? Close all doors completely, turn on all lights. This is not a bad shot. Nice look of the room. Shut any door completely, either open them or shut them, but pick one. I like the shot of this bathroom. I love that floor. I wish that they would have come into the room just a little bit or maybe cropped out the sides there. And then here, okay, it's really nice that they have I'm assuming a first floor laundry because of the window, but I really wish that this would have been straightened up just a touch before the pictures were taken because you have not one, but two pictures of all that mess. Now, outside, I know that you can't move everything. You still have to live in your house. However, straightening up a little bit would be helpful, and even avoiding some pictures that aren't very impressive, like that or like that, might bode well for your listing. So I hope that you found that helpful. Sometimes just taking a fresh look of things and realizing that taking a couple more seconds to move some things out of the room are going to make your pictures look so much better. If there's ever anything you need, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'm always here and happy to help.